The top 5 Instant Pots ranking based on customer reviews as of October 31, 2024. Prices range from $79.95 to $199.95. Here are the top 5 rated products. The 1 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo 7, with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $79.95. The 2 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo Plus 9, with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $166.95. The 3 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo 7, with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $129.95. The 4 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11, with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $199.95. The 5 ranked product is Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT ClearCook Air Fryer, with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $118.79. The 1 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker, Slow Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Warmer and Sterilizer. Includes free app with over 1900 recipes. Stainless steel. 3 quart. Review score 4.7. Review count 125,827 ratings. Price $79.95. Customers like the performance, ease of use, and time-saving features of the pressure cooker. They mention it makes cooking meals quick and easy, and has a lot of great features. Some also say the food comes out delicious and is better for them. Customers dislike. No info. The 2 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Warmer and Sterilizer. Includes app with over 800 recipes. Stainless steel. 6 quart. Review score 4.7. Review count 53,396 ratings. Price $166.95. Customers like the ease of use, cooking speed, and taste of the pressure cooker. They mention it works well. The controls are intuitive, and the one-touch functionality makes it simple to use. Some appreciate that it cooks very fast to save time and make everything absolutely delicious. They also say it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Customers dislike. No info. The 3 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Warmer and Sterilizer. Includes app with over 800 recipes. Stainless steel. 8 quart. Review score 4.7. Review count 46,246 ratings. Price $129.95. Customers like the functionality, cooking speed, and ease of use of the pressure cooker. They mention it works great, makes cooking easier, and is simple to clean. Some appreciate the versatility, saying it can be used for many things. Customers dislike. No info. The 4 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo with Multicooker lids that fries, steams, slow cooks, dehydrates. Free app with over 800 recipes. Black stainless steel. 8 QT. Review score 4.7. Review count 36,174 ratings. Price $199.95. Customers like the functionality, ease of use, and cooking quality of the pressure cooker. They mention it works well, is easy to clean, and delivers delicious results. Some also mention that the pots and pans are dishwasher safe. Customers also like the cooking ease and cook time. Customers dislike. However, some customers have different opinions on the size and value. For money, the 5th-ranked product is Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT ClearCook Air Fryer. Clear windows. Custom program options. 6-in-1 functions. Crisps. Broils. Roasts. Dehydrates. Bakes. Reheats. From the makers of Instant Pot. Black. Review score 4.7. Review count 6,946 ratings. Price $118.79. Customers like. Customers like the air fryer for its easy-to-use controls and cleaning. They mention it cooks well, is convenient, and works as expected. Some are satisfied with its size and light. Customers dislike. However, some customers have mixed opinions on the build quality.